welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. This week we are heading over to Burlington, aka the former Burlington Coat Factory. If you haven't heard, Burlington has been doing a full revamp of all of its stores, and it's been including a bunch of amazing new home decor and that is incredibly cheap. It's like if HomeGoods, Ross, and Marshalls smushed together and had a little section inside this Burlington. I actually just did a Burlington tour in the fall and a lot of people really loved it. So I'm super excited for this video. They have a bunch of new things out for the spring and for Easter. We actually bought a few things that you will see in the video. So without further ado, let's go shopping. I love this little pink chair. I don't even know where I'd put it, but if you put a pillow on it, it'd be so cute. It's $129, but it is very cute. I love, so a bunch of people were calling that this color, pink, is like one of the colors of the year. We're moving away from millennial pink and more into this dusty rose color pink. I really like this table, it's really nice. And if you wanted to, you can even like switch these out. If you go to Anthropologie, you can get, they have like drawer handles that are the crystals or like rose quartz or something, and if you switch that out, I mean, I still really like those, but that would be really cool. These are really cute. These are only $7.99, and I don't know what I would even do with them. I don't know why I like them, but I do. Ooh. I told you guys, Dusty Rose. My mom already has it in the cart. It's only 21. Oh my god. This is so nice and big and fluffy, and it's on sale for $21.99 pink. Look at how well these two match each other. This is only $9.99 and this is $21.99, and it's gorgeous and it will go so well in your room. Yes, yes, and yes. Oh, these are really cute, like Easter egg things. They're really big. How much are they? So this is next to my hand. These are only $12.99 each, and they're so like metallic-y and fun and sparkly. I really like them. Like these ones, it's like the makeup. I love the abstract paintings.
These would look so good above a white or a black couch. Yeah, I really like these. These are $34.99. Oh, it's from BB. I didn't know that BB even made paintings, but it's cute. A lot of people on one of my other videos really loved this mirror. Is $19.99. They had it in they have it in different colors, and a couple people asked me what the brand was, and I didn't know, so I'm gonna check. Okay, so it appears to be brandless. Sorry guys, I don't have a brand for you, but they do have them at Burlington. This is a couple months later, and they still have them here, so. It's my life. Oh, it comes with a bunch of stickers. Oh, I like this actually. I'm like in love with stationery now. They have these curtain lights. These are only $9.99. Oh. Very nice. Ooh, this thing's cool.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.